Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to my awesome lecturer. This is video presentation for AGR 113, Introduction to Economic of Agricultural Product. My name is Muhammad Zafrizal bin Zakaria from M38010JE and my lecturer name is Madam Fatim Munira Aris. So before I start, let me tell you about the content of this video. The first one we have is title, the second one we have introduction, next we have demand, law of demand, supply, law of supply, the problem, the impact, and the last one is conclusion. The title for my video presentation is Demand Supply of Agriculture Product in Malaysia during post-COVID-19 and the impact toward the price of agriculture product. So without further ado anytime, let's get started. Okay, now we start with the introduction. The COVID-19 epidemic in Malaysia had a significant effect on the country's economy, resulting in the depreciation of the Malaysian ringgit (MYR) and a reduction in GDP. A number of important industries has also been negatively impacted by the outbreak, including the retail, entertainment, hospitalities, and the tourism sector. Before we jump into the problem, let me explain about demand. Demand refers to the quantity of a good or service that consumers are willing and able to buy at a given price and within a specific time period. It is a fundamental concept in economics reflecting the relationship between the price of the product and quantity demand by consumer. Next, I will continue with law of demand. In economy, the law states that all else being equal, as the price of product increase, quantity demand will decrease. Likewise, as the price of product decrease, the quantity demand will increase. Now I will talk about supply. Supply refers to the quantity of a good or service that producers are willing and able to offer for a sale at a given price and within a specific time period. It represents the producer side of market, showing how much of product they are willing to provide to meet the demand at various price level. In supply, there are also have law of supply. Law of supply show the relationship between quantity of a good supply and its price. State that when the price of a good rise, the quantity supply of a good is also rise. Now I will talk about the problem that our country's economy need to face. The first one is the demand for palm oil is decreasing. This is because most of restaurants in Malaysia are closed during post-COVID-19. So the food seller don't need the cooking ingredients such as palm oil because of there is no sale activities during the post-COVID-19. The next one is there is anti-palm oil campaign in international market during post-COVID-19. This is because other countries don't believe with our quality of palm oil and actually they want to promote their soybean oil. Looks like they want to fight with us. The second is lack of palm oil production. Our industries having lack of labor because of movement controlled by the MCO. Next, foreign workers are forbidden to work because they don't have any vaccine. Because all this reason, the factory could not operate. So there is no any palm oil production. Now I will talk about the impact. There is 3 impacts that are found from the internet. The first one is palm oil stock in Malaysia are decreasing from 1.75 million ton on January 2022 to 1.7 million ton in February and March. The second one is due to the global issue that has driven away many of our major customers. The palm oil market is disrupted. The last one is lack of supply because the factory can be operated as well because of they don't have enough workers to carry out production activities. I would like to add some information in this topic. The commodity sector has not been significantly affected by the spread of the coronavirus, which is COVID-19, when the price of crude palm oil, which is CPO, is reported to be still at a good level of around RM 2,700 to RM 2,800 per ton. The Minister of Primary Industries, which is Teresa Kok, however said her party would still submit a proposal to the Ministry of Finance to include industry participants in the commodity sector to be considered in the economy stimulus package. The conclusion for this topic is when there is less of a demand for palm oil, there are also fewer suppliers. This is because the country's economy has been impacted by the player to properly process palm oil and market it internationally. As a result, there is no change in the fairly fair price that is set for the sale of palm oil. As you can see, there is many links that I used to find the information about this topic. I think that's all from me. Thank you.